I think it's the blender that you're using.
Gross.
Wrong.
It's so disgusting. Look, baby, you're like transferring bacteria onto your face.
I've been using this though.
Really? I actually bought this blender. Let me show it to you. It's really awesome. Ta-da!
What's the difference?
The difference is that you can feel the texture. This one is made out of microfibrillary structure, which like prevents bacterial growth, and it's definitely a more hygienic option compared to this gross, disgusting blender.
That's the disgusting now that you mention it.
Yeah, it's also because like it has this technology that involves van der Waals forces, which is the same force like you know how geckos stick onto ceiling.
Geckos?
Yeah.
Really?
Because the fiber in the blender, it attaches itself to the most finest makeup particles, so it goes really well onto your face.
Oh, does it give you full coverage though?
Yes, with like minimal makeup.
Can you show me how to use it?
Yes, definitely. Try it. So we just spray this for you.
Can I use this dry as well?
Yeah, you can use it dry. You can use it with powder or liquid foundation. You should totally get it, babe. It's really good.
Oh, it does look really nice.
Yeah, it does,
It feels
right?
nice as well.
I've been using it daily and I love it.
Yeah.
You should totally get it, babe.
I'm definitely going to get this.
Yeah.
Goodbye, my bacteria farm.
Bye, disgusting blender.